Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a Dutch pour with no cells using this recipe. I've already got my paints mixed up for today, but I just wanted to show you what I'm using. And if you'd like to see me mix some up, let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you in the next video. So what I used for the pouring medium was 5 parts Floetrol to 1 part gloss gel medium. And for this pour, I used Master's Touch. And this was the first time using it this way. I have been using the golden heavy gloss medium. And this is very hard to mix up, guys. It takes a good little while to mix it up. So I'm getting the same results with this. It's cheaper and it's much more easier to mix up, and the results are pretty much the same. So 5 parts Floetrol, 1 part gloss gel medium, and then you're going to add to that about 2 parts of water. Now with that pouring medium, you're going to add that to your colors, and then you're going to use additional water to get it to the consistency that you want. And for today's paintings, this is the consistency that I'm using. It's pretty thin, as you can see. But yeah, like that. So I just wanted to show you what I was using first. So I'm going to get set up really quick and we're going to do a Dutch pour with no cells. So today I am using a 16 by 16 inch canvas, and I'm not going to flood the whole canvas. I'm going to try something a little bit different today. We're going to do a split base. And I'm going to blow it out as close as possible to my colors. And then I'll be blowing the colors over the base paint. And I'll try to do this in a way where I'm overlapping the black with the white. You'll see what I mean as soon as I get started. But first, let me show you the dried results from the last video where I did 2 blooms featuring warm and cool colors. They did dry nicely, but I was a little disappointed with the cells that I got. I'm not sure what exactly was going on. The ones that I have are nice, but they're not as big as I would have preferred them to be. But yeah, these are the 2 paintings from that video, and if you hadn't seen it, please feel free to go and check it out. Okay, so this is what I mean when I say overlapping. I'm going to come across from the black base into the white, and then I'm going to alternate coming across from the white base into the black. So that's the way we're going to blow this out. So it's my first time trying a composition like this, and it is cool for the most part, but I'm gonna do a little something here with the straw on the outer edges, and I'm gonna come in between the colors and do a little something there too. But let's get some red, a little bit more red showing here. I'm just uncovering some of the colors covered up by the white. We are wrapping this one up, guys. I am very pleased with this pour. I like that 3D effect. It almost looks like there are 3 blooms because you have the little black in the center there. But yeah, it came out pretty nice for a first shot. So if you did make it to the end of the video, I really do appreciate you watching, and I would also appreciate it if you would subscribe and like the video, and also leave me a comment and let me know how you like the painting and if this is something that you would give a shot. As always, I appreciate you very, very much, and I hope you have a beautiful day.